She is getting ready to do the outside fastenings on the water container in the kitchenette in the treehouse. This is not a fun job. It's the last really petrifying thing. If you can see, she's actually lashed the ladder to the tree, and she's building an apparatus in order for her to be able to do this.
This is one of those moments, one of the things you have to do on a build, where you're hanging by your freaking toenails, and because you're doing something super weird, there's no place to be. So what I'm doing is I'm basically putting together something that makes it safer. But I need it for like 3 seconds. All I have to do is connect the hose and pipe to that white pipe up there at the top. Oh. But as you can see, that's probably a good 20, 25 foot off the freaking ground.
It's way up there.
That's where I have to go.
Okay, real quick. She's put this apparatus up. She's got a 2x4 in the crotch of 2 trees. She's getting ready to screw it to the rail to make sure that it stays stable. That's where she's going to be standing. And then she's got that branch through the crotch of two other crotches of the same 2 trees, or the same tree actually. And that's going to be what she can lean back against or whatever in case she has to. Hopefully she doesn't have to. And hopefully it doesn't take more than the 2 seconds she thinks it will, and hopefully it's all safe. I failed to mention the rope before, if you can see it. She's got the rope all the way up on the top. It's a big, heavy tow rope, and it's draped down. She's going to tie herself off.
So you can kind of see, I put that limb up there just as a precaution. I don't know. I've got a rope I'm going to tie off to my waist. I've got to crawl up there. I literally have one little thing to do. All of that is to do one little thing. I have to put glue in here, go up there, stick it on the pipe, and then turn it a quarter turn till it's hanging down straight. I've show you, I've got to weave this hose through the place where I want it to go through at. So I'll go up there now. I'm going to leave it together till I get where I'm going with it, because I don't want to have to deal with dragging the hose up and trying to fit it through.
Right.
So what I'll do is I'll come on up here. Yes, it's a ginormous mess. Thanks for asking. Yes, I feel like I'm going to shit myself. Thanks for asking. Oh, what do you mean you didn't give a crap? Fuck you then! Okay, I got my glue in my pocket, but I have to take it out to get to my pocket knife so I can cut these straps off the hose. Now, I like it better when the hoses come with the freaking little wire things, because I can use those for all kinds of shit.
Yeah, the plastic's just trash.
They're probably going to do this from now on. You'll never see those again.
See the wire again? Yeah.
Somebody decided this shit was cheaper. Not better for the environment, but cheaper. Oh, yay, big corporations. Do not try. You know how I usually put trash in my pocket? Don't try to do that when you're up in the air. Just get rid of it.
Pick it up later.
Pick it up later, exactly. Okay, so now I'm going to feed, there's a hole here in the treehouse, in the decking thing. I'm going to feed this hose down through that. I say as if it's going to be simple, but it probably will not be. But it should be, you know, one of those things.
Don't forget to put your pipe stuff back in your pocket, too.
I won't. I'll do it right now, while you're telling me to. So I don't have to hear later, I told you to put that in your fucking pocket. Why didn't you put that in your fucking pocket, Miss Know-It-All? There you go. That's the keys to the everything, so let's not
lose those.
But right now they're in my way. Yes, I should have taken them out before I got up here. Good luck with that! Oh, you know it all, man. All of a sudden I'm the one hanging by my toes. You guys knock them out. Yeah, Hey, if it was you hanging by your toes, you would be some. Did that come out underneath?
Yes, it did. It's hanging all the way down to the flower bed.
Okay, then I can stay there for a minute. All right, I have to go behind the board that I put up there. I have to. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this rope now is I'm going to tie myself off. Why? Because I'm a chicken shit. That's why. Scared shitless of falling to my death.
Or to your crippling.
No, that's
Either one.
worse. Actually, I'm not afraid of death. I'm really not. I'm not one of the people that believe some horrible thing will happen to me in the afterlife just because I wasn't a,
Saint.
psalm singing idiot in this life. So, I'm not worried about death, but scared shitless about being crippled. All right. Is it the safest thing I've ever done? No.
Same rope you used when you crawled up on the roof of the treehouse.
This is a really good rope.
It's the tow rope.
Use because it's poly and natural fibers, which means that it's the best of both worlds. So it's soft. It's easy to get a good knot in. All right. So now, come along with me as you see me shit myself a little along the way as I crawl up. Now, of course, the hose does not want to come unkeyed or quit doing its thing, so that's going to make life that much more difficult.
Of course it is.
I have to climb around all this shit I put up here.
And feed the hose around it.
Yeah. You feed the hose around the ropes and everything else. Okay, now see, I've got this so I can actually hang on it. And also I wouldn't fall as far with that there. We hope.
We hope.
Okay. Oh, you know what? I didn't even need the board. Look at that shit. Look
Oh,
at that
good.
shit, people!
Well, that's good. At least you're good. You've got a good solid legging there.
Yeah. But I didn't really need it.
That's okay. Overkill is never bad.
Overkill's never a bad thing. While I'm up here, I'm going to go ahead and get the Thompson's water seal and seal that window.
Oh,
Because I
okay.
should have done it before I put it in, but some fucking idiot forgot to do it. I blame Lynn.
Okay. I'll take it.
Oh shit, I got that on my fingers. It'll burn like fire.
Ow.
That's right, people. You get this shit on your fingers, get it off as quick as you can. Because it is some nasty.
It is nasty. It's a chemical burn.
Okay, put on a lot. Especially if you're hanging by your toenails. How God only knows how many feet in the air. Put on a lot of it. You don't want to do it again.
You have that
Alright.
board in your pocket.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, the board might.
No. I said you have that board if you need to set it there, but you don't want to do that.
No, it'll fall off. And
Okay.
fall all the way down and make a goddamn mess.
Yeah, there you go.
You know, life.
Quarter
Okay, so
quarter
what I'll do
turn.
is I'll put it in so that when it's straight up and down,
It's a quarter turn.
it'll be a quarter turn. And all of that for that. And there you go.
Now you have to undo it all.
Well, I didn't shit myself, so that was good.
That's very good.
I didn't shit my pants. I want you to know I did not shit my pants.
Yay!
I know at my age that shouldn't be huge, but there you go.
Awesome.
Alrighty.
And then we'll
I'm
then-
gonna get the Thompson's water sealer and come and seal that window. I don't have to get all the way up there though, because I can hit most of it. It just leaks around where. Okay, here's what's happening. I didn't seal it because I didn't think it would be necessary because it's under the
Eve and everything.
it's under the overhang.
Right.
Okay, but when it rains, it hits this piece of stump
Uh-huh.
that's hanging out of this tree. And
Uh-huh.
it splashes on this part of the window. And then I don't get leakage, but the window frame gets wet. Well, that's going to rot.
Yes.
So, in order to keep that from rotting. Yeah, I had to build all of that for that job.
That's all right. Leave
This is
some of it for
waste
when you
time.
paint.
Huh?
You can leave some of it for where you
Yeah,
paint.
yeah.
That's
Anyway.
awesome.
Okay,
Is that it?
Oh, that's life in the big city.
Okay, I'll hang up.